As most affiliate marketers and online marketers, they will tell you the money is in the list. So in this video, how to build an email list. I'll give you 5 keys to success. To build a money flow chart. And once you understand this concept, you can implement this technique in any online business or your personal brand or business. Number 1 is traffic. And this goes against a lot of affiliate marketers out there, I know, because many affiliate marketers will say, well, you have to pick a good product. And I agree. You definitely have a good product. But if you master traffic generation, you can sell just about anything. Of course, that product has to be worth selling and something that somebody wants to buy. Of course, that's a given, right? But traffic is key, and there's many ways to get free traffic out there. If you can master that, you'll have a nice business. Facebook, another free area where you could get traffic. Many people know about Facebook, Instagram, YouTube videos like what you're seeing now, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many other social accounts out there. But what you want to do is create or make a niche social page for Facebook, Instagram, any of these things, YouTube channels. And let's say your market is health. Let's say it's wealth or fitness. You want to create that social page around this niche market. And so with doing that, you will target specific people looking for example, health, wealth, how to make money online, fitness, how to lose weight. So you make that niche category, for example, here in Instagram, you sign up if you don't already have an account, you create that page, John's Health and Fitness 101, John's Health and Fitness whatever the case may be, and you link those pages, and you also create those pages in that niche, in that market, to generate that traffic, those likes, those subscribers to your channel. And then what you'd want to do is find that quality product. Yes, I know I put this at number 2. You find that quality product to promote, and you can find those just about anywhere. ClickBank is a great source for finding on products to promote if you don't have your own. And this is ClickBank. Again, you can sign up, create your account for free. And in its marketplace, you can find things on health, wealth, fitness, you name it. You can find it on just about anything, relationships. So once you find that quality product, Amazon, another market I am in is the super affiliate network. They're a tiered market, meaning you can start at $1, $47 a month on up. It's a great program. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in the super affiliate network down in the bottom there. So feel free to check it out. Again, it doesn't cost anything to look at it. So, but it's a great company. I've really appreciated them and making some nice progress and leads and sales from the super affiliate network. But also Amazon, Amazon.com, Amazon's Associates program is another way you can make money through affiliate marketing. Now, Amazon. If you've been hiding under a rock, you don't know. Amazon sells anything and everything. And so you can promote all kinds of things like books, exercise equipment, and make a commission off of that. Walmart, the same thing, Amazon's competition. But another company that I am in, and again, this is for U.S. and Canada residents only, MCA. And if you don't know about MCA, and if you're a resident of the U.S. and Canada, it's Motor Club of America. Also, I'll put a link in the description of it if you want to check it out. And this company provides roadside assistance for U.S. and Canada residents. Not only that, you get hotel discounts, you get travel discounts. You get a lot of benefits from this company for only $19 a month. It's great. It's comparable to the AAAs of the world and things like that. But even more than AAA, it gives a lot more benefits. So I'll put a link in the description if you're a US and Canada resident for MCA. And also check out the business opportunity for MCA. And I can point you on to some tools that I use to promote MCA if you want to work from home. All right, enough of that. So build those social pages around your niche market. And number 3, you want to create a capture page. Many people know what a capture page or a lead page is. If not, you can look up companies like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Kajabi, and one that I use is this one here, Thrive Themes. A lot of people don't know about Thrive Themes. Thrive Themes is really an all-in-one kind of website building templates. They have themes and templates, and they're constantly updating their products and building themes and capture pages, websites. They do it all. So check out Thrive Themes if you haven't. So that third step is once you got traffic, and you can get traffic, and then go back to getting that quality product to promote, you want to capture that lead, right? So when someone signs up, perhaps you give away a free product, free video, free book, whatever the case, and capture that lead. You can go back and continue to promote and sell said product that we mentioned earlier. And to do that, you need an autoresponder, such as Aweber or GetResponse. And the autoresponder will allow you to build a daily email list, helping your potential customers see the benefits of your offer, what you're offering. And beware not to spam individuals, but give some value in these emails. People like you, like me, we get emails on a daily all the time. And when someone's constantly trying to sell us, what do? We erase it, we unsubscribe. So always give value to your potential customers with these autoresponders. And Aweber, GetResponse, and there's quite a few more autoresponders out there, but that's where building that list comes in handy for creating that business, because you'll have a substantial customer base of warm leads looking to buy your products in the future. And another 5th point here is a video sales letter. Well, what is a video sales letter? It really highlights sales revenue, and I'll give you an example of a video sales letter. This is one that I use with Daily Income Method for promoting MCA, Motor Club of America. So when you click on this, when you enter your email, you click on this, you'll get the example of a video sales letter. Now, I'm a part of this program. I'm not going to fill this email list up with this example, but you'll get an idea of what a video sales letter is if you perhaps want to go and sign up and see that at Daily Income Method. And I'll put also in a link in the description for it as well. So you could also create your own video sales letter, which is not very difficult to do, especially if you have themes like Thrive Themes, Kajabi, even Aweber and GetResponse now are offering video sales letters and capture pages. So many people see the benefit of having that and building that email list. And some products and offer will provide these for you when you become an affiliate. For example, I'm an affiliate for Daily Income Method, and they provide the video sales letters because they know ad copy and things like that are important. They're vital to capture that potential customer. So see this description below for products and tools that I use to promote my business. And most successful affiliate marketers know the money is in the email list. So utilize these tools for your success. Start generating those leads today. You can do it. If I can do it, I know you can do it. So follow me on Instagram at Daily Wage System 247. And again, if you want an example of a capture page, check out www.dailywagesystem.com. Now, this capture page generates quite a bit of response by being very simple. So remember, your capture page doesn't have to be very complicated as well. So just want to pass that along to you guys, those 5 keys to building a successful email list. We'll see you in the next one.